Hey folks, Mark from the Safe House. So we're going to do a destruction video on the Liberty HDX300, which is a follow-up from our Fort Knox and the Vault-Tec destruction videos. So just to show you, this is a new in the box unit. Let's see if I can get it open. See, I wrote test on it, so we're going to test this unit. So folks, we're going to show you the destruction video on the Liberty HDX300. So you can function this. You open it with the key or the keypad and to access the safe. So we're going to lock it up here. Take the key out like this. And so now we're going to do our destruction video. And I'm going to use the assistance of Shane here, one of my crew. And we're going to mimic the test that we did on the Fort Knox and the Vault-Tec models to see how tough it is. So we did 10, well that's 4, 5 and 5 is 10 slams on the ground to see how tough this unit is. So we're going to move a camera over here. Shane, being young, because if you watch my other videos, I got out of breath doing this 10 times, so we're going to see how strong he is. So folks, we're going to have Shane do the destruction test 10 times. 5 and 5 is 10. So Shane, have at it. Just throw it down right here and let's do a destruction. Oh, what was that? Let's see what happened. Well, so let's close out this video by saying good little unit to put your storage stuff in or put your items in for secure storage. But realize on any small safe, any little safe like this, you only have minimal security. So if you got any questions about securing small items, pistols, some cash and stuff like that, give one of our 3 locations a call. Go to thesafehouse.com down there. Like and subscribe our videos. Make any kind of crazy comments you want to. Y'all stay safe out there.